guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is for August of 2022, so yeah, a little behind, but not as bad as I am with BoxyCharm, but we're catching up. We're catching up on all the things. So anyway, I'm gonna dive right in here. And right on top we have got, let's see here, another ad for add-on things you can buy. Here's the booklet. Okay, so here's the cover this time, along with an ad on the back for Victor and Rolf's Good Fortune, which is in there. Okay, easy going. If you took the laid-back feeling of a late summer sunset on the beach and bottled it as a beauty routine, you would get the easy products in this month's box. Hold on to a beachy glow with a pineapple-infused sugar scrub that smells divine and tropical, and then use a natural body oil below the neck for a high wattage radiance all over. A clear brow gel and mess-free lashes are the perfect accompaniment to your newfound glow, ideal for savoring summer while it lasts. And as a special bonus, you're getting an extra product from this month, Victor and Rolf's Good Fortune, a delicious jasmine and vanilla fragrance that's just the thing to carry you into fall. Aw. The first thing in here is another one from Tula Skincare. And this is the So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. The sugar crystals and pina colada scent, make this radiance boosting scrub a joy to use. $32. I think this is full size. Why you'll love it, this delightful sugar scrub has won an Allure Best of Beauty Award because it is great for exfoliating all skin types, even sensitive ones, and as a bonus, it smells like a day at the beach. The sugar crystals melt away as you exfoliate, leaving behind smoother, softer skin, and with regular use, your complexion will look more radiant, and your pores may even seem to shrink. How you'll use it: squeeze out a small amount and massage it in circular motions over damp skin 2 to 4 times a week. In addition to getting rid of dead skin cells, the sugar scrub takes away makeup too. So this is $32. Let's see here. Can I even read those ingredients? That is teeny tiny print. My goodness. I mostly want to see if it actually has like legit coconut in it or no. Let's see, mango's fine. Papaya is in it, lemon's in it, pineapple, grapefruit. I'm not seeing any legit coconut, so I might be fine with this. I might be fine. Which is good, because it sounds like it's really nice, and I'd like to use it. And if it gives me a problem, I can always give it to my mom or my sister or something. Okay, so next in here, where is it? Okay. It's from a brand called Tint, T-Y-N-T. And this is the Brow Gel in Clear. It retails for $14, and I think this is also full size. Clear Brow Gel is pretty much foolproof. Why you'll love it. A few swipes of this clear gel is just the thing for setting and shaping brows after you've filled them in, which in turn can make brows look fuller. It also works wonders on its own. Because it's transparent, it can make your brows look thicker without seeming drawn on, and you never have to wonder if you found the right shade. Brushing up your brows with clear gel makes you look awake and polished, and your eyes look more open. How you'll use it: if you're filling in your brows, do that first. Next, wipe the wand against the inside of the tube to remove any excess and sweep and comb it lightly over each brow, angling the wand up and out toward the arches, and then gradually down at the outer edge of your brows. I'll give it a shot. I mean, it's clear. What's the worst that can happen, right? Okay, whoopsies. Wow, that was special. I'm getting used to the new cord I have for my iPod, and it's like a 10-foot cord rather than the little 3-foot one, and I didn't realize I kneeled on it, and it yanked the whole tripod over, so, sorry about that. Anyway, next in here, we have the Biossance Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. I think this one is a sample size, though. Pretty sure. Yeah, it is. Full size is $58. Ouch. This bouncy gel cream is as moisturizing gets. Why you'll love it. Packed with super hydrators, squalane ceramides, omega fatty acids, this gel cream is a big calming hug for your skin. I love that. The texture is light and fluffy like a cloud and absolutely heavenly. How you'll use it: after cleansing, smooth a hefty dollop against your hair or from your hairline down. It's great for your face and neck and dries almost instantly, so there's no residue. Oh, that is fabulous then. And this brand I've never heard of. It's called Esker, and it's firming oil, whatever that means. Gives you that all-over lit-from-within glow. Let's see here. $40 for 2 ounces, so there's no way this is full-sized. Why you'll love it. Summer is the best time of year for body oils, and this particular blend of rose geranium, grapefruit lavender, and juniper oils delivers skin that's deeply hydrated and glowing all day long. The fresh floral citrusy scent is energizing and pairs well with most summer fragrances. How you'll use it. If you massage it on right after a shower when skin is just slightly damp, it can get to work faster. A little bit on your limbs, shoulders, and ash-prone areas, elbows, knees, ankles, delivers a goddess-like glow. Oh, that's a smart idea for like the crazy dry things. Like you guys know about my damn elbows. Like we know. That is actually a good idea. Like, not just with this, but like body oils in general. That is really smart. I hadn't thought of that, and I kind of don't know how or why I never thought of that, but that's really smart. Okay. So, next, this is a set of 2 products that go together. It's $55 for the set of lashes and the eyeliner that goes with it. It looks like we have spare lashes at the bottom too. Oh, those are for the bottom, huh? Okay, so these are like magnetic lashes. And then this is a magnetic liner that goes with it. Now, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm kind of nervous about that. But these soft magnetic falsies make lashes look naturally fuller. So this is Tori Bell 9 to 5 Magnitude Magnetic Eyelashes and Magnetic Liner. Why you'll love it, there's no sticky or lumpy lash glue here. These magnetically charged falsies adhere to the accompanying magnetic liquid liner, and amazingly, they stay in place all day long. The lashes have just enough oomph to make you look make your own look believably fuller, and the liner is sleek with a soft, pretty sheen. How you'll use it: point on the liner, a thick line works best, or paint on the liner. God, I swear I can read. From the top, paint on the liner. A thick line works best, and after about 30 seconds, apply a second coat. Wait a few minutes until it's dry to the touch, and then add the lashes. You can slide them around until they're just right, which makes this system more forgiving than glue. To remove, simply peel off the lashes and use regular eye makeup remover on the liner. I mean, it sounds pretty foolproof, but I don't know. Something about it being magnetic and putting that near my eyes makes me very nervous, you know? Oh, we went cheap, didn't we? We have a Sephora product. It's like a Sephora sample. It's the Sephora Collection Clean Skin Gel Cleanser with Prebiotics. Cool. Full size is $12. Usually facial cleansers are gentle or they take off your makeup, but this gel formula is the best of both worlds. Don't make me sing it. It easily removes a full face of makeup, mascara included, without any scrubbing, tugging at lashes, or post-cleanse cleanup required. The silky aloe-infused formula also leaves skin softer, clearer, and soothed. It's helped clear redness and dry patches with continuous use, and it's made a world of difference in the feel of my skin, which is much softer, says Gutierrez. With results like these, you won't want to skip a facial cleanse. How you'll use it: rub the cleanser onto damp skin, let it sit for a minute to work its magic, then rinse the face wash away, along with any traces of makeup. So, just like you would use anything. Okay. Anyway, and then there's another ad for the add-ons. Wow, they're like really hammering down on that. Another couple pages of ads for the add-ons. Cool. And then we have a little instruction thing for the lashes. And I guess there's a QR code to go more in depth with it. And then the little sample of perfume that they said was in there. So I don't know, how are we feeling about the August Allure box? I kind of feel like they skimped out a bit this time. Partly because of the Sephora. That just clinched it for me, that it feels like they went a little skimpy. But, I mean, the perfume sample already had me feeling that way, and I'm like, I don't know. Hopefully the next box is, like, really good and makes up for it, because this one is a little bit disappointing in my opinion. What do you guys think? But, anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.